This 2020 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8294 QBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Jayco is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, skylight, spare tire kit, stove top burner, microwave, Colorado detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8294 QBS is 6,690 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.